In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom hiking route in Apple Maps on your iPhone. Whether you're gearing up for an adventurous day outdoors or simply want to explore new trails, Apple Maps can be a fantastic tool to plan your hike. We're going to guide you through the process from start to finish, ensuring you have a detailed and personalized route ready for your hiking excursion. Let's get started by opening the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. This will be your go-to portal for exploring and customizing your hiking adventure. Once you have it open, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're not already. The interface is user-friendly and designed to help you easily navigate through different mapping options. Next, you'll want to plan your starting and ending points. Think about where you'd like to begin your hike and where you want it to end. These points can be your home, a park entrance, or any other convenient location you have in mind. Tap on the search bar at the top of the app and type in your desired start location, followed by your end destination. As you search, Apple Maps will offer suggested locations that you can easily select. Confirm your choices, and you're ready to move on to the next step. As you're thinking about your journey, consider any custom stops or waypoints you'd like to add along your route. These could be scenic overlooks, rest areas, or even locations of interest like streams or historical markers. To do this, simply tap the Add Stop option after setting your start and end points. This feature allows you to incorporate multiple destinations within your hike, making your adventure more engaging and tailored to your interests. Now it's time to select the best route type. Since we're focusing on hiking, choosing a walking route is essential. Apple Maps will provide several options, including different trails or paths that are suitable for walking. Review these options, paying attention to the estimated distances and times, so you can select a route that aligns with your fitness level and time constraints. If you encounter any unfamiliar symbols or terms, Apple Maps often includes helpful icons and legends to assist your decision. Finally, once you've finalized your route and are satisfied with your plans, it's time to start navigation. Simply tap the Go button and Apple Maps will guide you with turn-by-turn directions. You'll have the freedom to pause along the way, adjust stops, and explore the terrain, knowing you can easily get back on track whenever you need. So there you have it, a complete custom hiking route designed by you, courtesy of Apple Maps. With these steps, you can look forward to exploring new paths and enjoying your hikes more than ever. Before we wrap up, remember to pack all essentials for your hike and inform someone about your route for safety. Enjoy your adventure, and thanks for watching.